Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today we'll discuss about a primary key. So, what is primary key? Primary key means it does not allow a null value. It may always have a unique value. Suppose in a column, if you want to enter a only a number, but you don't want to repeat that number. Suppose that you are having Aadhaar card column in your student table and your admission number in your student table, that you are knowing that Aadhaar number is uniquely identified for each person, those who had registered for Aadhaar number. So the Aadhaar number should not be repeated to anyone. So if you put that particular field name, the last class we had discussed about the data type. Data type means which type of data you want to fit on that particular field. In that time, you want to select if you want to set that field name as primary key. So primary key is you are able to select here, and then it is primary key means that if you selected a primary key in that particular field name, it means that particular field name, if you are entering a data or number you are entering, the number should not be repeated. If number should repeated, then that column will not take you at the repeated number. And if you are forget to fill that column or not entering the data on that particular column, so it should not be taken. So primary key means it does not allow any null value. Means null value means not zero also, blank. This is known as a null value. If you forgot or if you don't want to enter the value in that particular field name, that field name is selected as primary key, then the cursor will not move to the next column, and it will give the error that you should fill the number, fill the data here. Without filling, it will not allow to enter in another column name, and the data should be unique, it not be repeated. Then a table should have at least one field that has a unique value for each record. For example, in a school database, the roll number of each student uniquely identifies each student of a class. Here the roll number is given. But if you enter the data, if you are enter the data or save the data in a table, and that table you are saved in a school database. So this year you are in 8th. Suppose your roll number is 8101. Suppose 8101 means 8A. Suppose you are a student of 8A and your roll number is 8101. But then next year you will be going to 9A, and then 7A student will be coming, and 7A student will be coming means their roll number also changed, and it will convert as at 8101 is same. So here we are not considering any roll number, but admission number should be uniquely, and your Aadhaar number should be uniquely here. You might have some name, but you never have the same roll number as your friend. So in the school database, the roll number field is the primary key. The primary key does not allow null values and must always have a unique value. A primary key is used to related table, foreign key, and other tables. If you want to add two tables, then it is related to the another foreign key tables. Now, switching views. Switching view means access providers different view to work with your data. You can easily switch from one view to another. There are 4 views for work with a table. So it is to change the view of that table, and the view it is given there on the window. From that window you can switch on that particular view, and then the data should be displayed like that your selected view. The first one is datasheet view, pivot chart view, pivot table view, and design view. The two main views are the datasheet view means spreadsheet, and the design view means a table structure. Here the difference is given here. Datasheet view, it displays the view in a column and row format, which allows you to view, enter, and manipulate data. It means in datasheet view, the columns and rows the data, it allow you to view, enter, or to manipulate. Manipulate means if you want to edit, delete, add, or update like this. Then design view, it displays the view which allow you to enter field name, data types, and the description of your table. If you want to add some new field in your table, so with the help of this design view you can add a new field, you can add a new data type, you can change the description of your table. So difference between both is this. Then to switch between views, simply click view from the view group of home tab on the ribbon. From the drop down list, choose the view you want. Yes, if you want to change, it will display in the view from the home tab. Now entering data. How to enter data? With the help of the datasheet view. To enter data into the table in a datasheet view, type the value in the respective fields. Type the value in the respective fields, then press tab key to move to the next field to the type its value. When you press the tab key in the last field to insert the points, moves to the first field to the next line. Means if you want to click forward and fill the value, so with the help of that key, tab key, you are able to shift one cell to the another cell. Then manipulating the data. Manipulation means to make changes in the data. The following modifications can be done on the table in Access. First one is add a new record or row. How to add? To add a new record means place the cursor at the last value to the field and simplify press the tab key. Means if you want to add a new record or if you want to add a new row, that time you will be press the tab key at the first of all. You have to keep the cursor at the last field, and then if you want to add one more field or one more record, then you will be pressing the tab key, then it will automatically add one row. Then column. To add a new column, right click on the column header and choose the insert column option. A new field is inserted to the left of the selected field. So if you want to add a new field or column, just on right click, after clicking as a right click, the option will came here. See here in the picture it is given insert column, lock up, delete column, rename column, like this all the come in the small window like this. From it you are able to select the insert one. Then update a record. To update or modify a record, simply click the cell if you want to update and type the new value. Suppose here if you want to change the place, suppose that particular column 105 is written and if you want to write there 705, then just click on that particular cell and just overwrite. It will change by doing the overwrite. Then if you want to delete a record or column, select the entire record or entire column by clicking on row header and column header and press the delete key, or right click the mouse and select the delete record or delete column. If confirm, then type yes. It means if you want to delete a record or columns, first of all you have to select that particular record and column and then right click and then select the delete column or delete row, then it will delete it. And if you are not, then select first all the record and then press the delete key, it will delete like this. Then multiple choice question. A primary key does not allow a null value. Data is entered in datasheet view. While designing a table, description field is optional. Then relationship. This relationship we'll discuss in the next class. Yes, the relationship and next topic we'll discuss in the next class. You go to this topic and then if you are having any doubt, then ask. Okay, thank you.